Okay, so let's take a look at how you can add SlideShare slide into your Drupal article or post. So first thing, let's go to SlideShare and pick up slide that we wish to add. So if you take a look at this HubSpot slide, okay, we can click on that. Okay, it should look something like this. Okay, now here you can see your slide here, which you can share by clicking on this particular share button. Okay, now clicking on that should show you this embed code. Simply copy that code. Now go to your Drupal installed website, pick up the article or post that you wish to edit, click on edit button. Now here you can see I wish to add my iframe code, so I'm going to check source mode. Now next thing, you will just paste this code. Okay, now make sure that text format is available in full HTML or basic HTML, but considering we have third-party HTML, so make sure that you enable full HTML for this text format. Okay, make sure to also save that particular article because we edited and added new code. Okay, now we can scroll to the bottom and we can see added SlideShare slide at the bottom. Okay, so this can be done for both article as well as Drupal post, right? So you get the idea how to add SlideShare slide from embed code into your Drupal post.